What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. GGFOREX here, and on today's video it is pretty amazing. We have just completed with the group a 5-day crash course, your pre-trades. Basically this is everything I do pre-trade. I've broken it down into sections and me and the group have been crushing it throughout the week. So at the start of day one we went through mindset, psychology, what to do, how to handle yourself, how to realize about you going through these emotions, and then how are you actually going to get through that. So if you're feeling like this, maybe you should try this and then overcome it, because your emotional side, it will dictate your success in trading. It will define you as a trader. If you are too emotional, or you controlled by your fear or FOMO, you'll make bad trading decisions and you will lose. So those videos are there to help you get through that, understand it, combat it, and become more successful on the other side. Then on day two, we went through pre-trade checklist. Like, what things do you need in place to make sure that you're making the right decisions? Are you doing the right currency pairs? Are you trading at the right times? Are you understanding the bias? Are you understanding market structure? And then when you understand those bits, are you entering your trades at key areas? Are you entering at the right places? And then are you going to get the right confirmations beforehand? So when you get all ticks for those yeses, if you get yeses for all of those ticks, how to do that? That was what day two was about. Day three was actually pulling the trigger on the trade, executing the trade. What things you need in place first? What is your reward to risk? What type of trader are you? Where should your stop loss be? Where should your entry point be? And where should your take profit be? You know, all these things you need to understand first, before you can be a successful trader. You need to understand what the market is doing, when it's doing it, and then how you're going to do it and how you're going to get out. There's no point holding on to the trade and having your price go all the way up to and then come all the way back down to stop you. You want to get in, you want to get out at the right times. Especially if you're an intraday trader, you need to understand how to play the game correctly on the right time frames to execute those trades within a day. On day four, we went through during the trade. How do you handle your emotions during the trade? What should you look out for during the trade? How should you handle yourself? Because a lot of people can't sleep. So if you're entering trades at night, holding trades overnight, and you can't sleep, then you're going to wake up early in the morning for the charts, sleep deprived, you're going to make bad decisions, and you're not going to be able to perform at your best. And you need to perform at your best on the markets to be successful. So there's loads of different strategies we went over on day four to understand what you should do during a trade, how you should handle yourself, and how you should get over those hurdles that you will come across. And then day five was exiting a trade. When you exit the trade, how do you review it? How do you perform your winners? How do you perform your losers? What you should be looking out for, how you should be not jotting it down in your journal, how you should be using your journal built within Smartcharts of how to perform better, and understanding what days are best for you, what hours of the day are best for you, what strategies are best for you. You know, all these different things that build up to build a story to then use, understand and utilize and take for your own advantage on how to improve your game. I know that I'm really good on Thursdays and Fridays. I'm trying to improve better, but I know those days are my good days, hence why I say lucky Thursday, because I perform the best Thursdays out of the day of the week between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. in the evening. That's just how it is. So for you guys it's going to be different, but you need to understand the process and you need to understand how to take advantage of that information that is given to you. So after all of that, all these videos that you've got your day one worksheet, day two, day three, day four, day five worksheets, you've got the cheat sheets, and you've got the correlation sheets, positive and negative correlation sheets. These will help you out massively into making sure you enter the trade correctly and know you have everything in place to begin with. And the correlation, so if you're buying on this currency pair, then you should be looking at this currency pair, or if you're going to short this, make sure this is in the other position here, so you make sure that you get another confirmation about certain currency pairs, because they're all correlate and you need to understand what correlates with what to make the right decision. So you got all of that. All this stuff goes away Monday morning, which is, I believe, the 10th of August. So Monday morning, 10th of August, all that is going away, unless you want to work with me further on. And what that will be a 5-week workshop. I'll leave all the information above this video of the next steps, that if you guys want to take this seriously and if you want to go to that next level with me. Obviously it'll be much more intense, it'll be a lot harder for you guys, but you just need to keep practicing and practicing and practicing, and we'll get through this, okay? We will be successful at this. So there will be a 5-week workshop, there'll be a quick start on-ramp, there'll be a fast track cheat sheets, there'll be weekly deep dive strategy sessions with me, there'll be members areas loaded with resources. Also, there'll be private trading a private trader community with live Q&As. You get a bonus of 1 week free trial of Smartcharts. You get a pre-trade checklist with bonus 2 and bonus 3, all the workshop recordings and lifetime access. Okay, all that is valued at £2,384. And this is a one-time special offer, guys. If you haven't got Smartcharts already, you can get all of this stuff, all the Smartchart stuff and all of this stuff I just explained absolutely for free. All you got to do is just use this link, send me a receipt, and then you get access to everything I just said. If you already have Smartcharts, no worries. It is just a one-off $297, and that is it. Okay, guys, so remember, everything I've just said to you will be going on Monday morning on the 10th of August. If you want to work with me further on and get more access, then you can get all of that stuff for free. All you got to do is just use my Smartcharts link. If you already have Smartcharts, then it's just a one-off $297, and that is it. And then we're going to take things to the next level, guys. If you are serious about taking things to the next level and you are interested in this offer, please let me know by DMing me on Facebook or my Instagram. I do not mind, whatever is easiest for you, and we can get things set up, get things moving, and get things on the next level. We're gonna smash this 100 trade challenge. I'm already up 6%, and it's only on week 1. Remember, I try and go for around 4% a week, so I'm beating that. It's fantastic. I cannot wait until tomorrow when the markets open. Remember, I'm not going to trade tomorrow. I'm going to analyze, see where things go. I've got some pending trades already on from the week previous. If they trigger, they trigger. I won't be placing any more, and then I'll start properly again on Tuesday. But remember, you're going to get access to me and everything if you take that offer. Remember, it's absolutely free. All you got to do is just use your Smartcharts link. I will see you on the other side.